No.
Or they just put one up there.
See it, Goose? That's a bigger one, ain't it? That ain't the baby? That's the mommy?
The one out there on the fence, too. One up there by the damn dish.
Oh, I see it.
Oh, you see it?
Yeah, he's gone now.
Well, another one, too, didn't it?
Where'd they go, Koozie? I think they're playing games. They know you're watching them. Yep, they know you're watching them. They're teasing.
See him from the window, too.
Yeah, they're teasing, Koozie.
That cat goes back and forth from door to door. Where is that damn cat?
I don't know.
Well, get the cat.
Cleo! Where's Cleo?
She'll get up there and
Come on!
look out the window with us. Here comes another squirrel.
Here comes one, Koozie. You want a Hummer? And I don't got my feeder out there yet. Gotta fix. Goose. Look. There's another one. See it? Cat, over there. There's a squirrel. You see it, Cookie? There's a squirrel. All right. They're cute, aren't they? That's like Scoots. Is that Scoots out there? I think that one of them might have been Scoots. You think that one? Yeah, I think one of them might have been Scoots. That's our squirrel, huh? You remember Scoots, don't you, Cookie? Think one of them's him? There's one on the porch, too. They're playing. They're teasing you guys.
They're still there?
No, one just run off the porch, though. One just went somewhere through there. Well, that was a bird that come back.
Cookie the ham when you tell her to go get her one, right?
Yeah.
You knew what I was talking about.
Well, she thinks that's cute.
Susie's getting a little bit carried away. Hello?
Susie, settle down, honey. You're going to knock my camera over.
You went to all the windows. I was up there looking off the couch at it.
Okay, we're going to stop.